Okay, so you've completed the warm up. Okay, so now we're going to be talking about career goals. So, when you were a child, what did you want to be when you grew up? Do you still have the same career goal that you did in elementary school? So, Hobbs, do you still want to be the same thing you wanted to be when you were in elementary school? What is it, if you don't mind me asking?
Pediatric nursing.
Okay, and what about you?
EMT.
ENT?
EMT.
Oh, okay, EMT. Okay, and you still want to be the same thing. So that's what you wanted to be when you were little. Really? Wow. You knew what that was when you were little? Okay. Okay, so let's just do two or three because we don't have that much time. So can you guess the average income and education requirements for these careers? So Hobbs, just guess. I know you're probably gonna guess wrong. How much do you think a plumber makes?
A year?
Yeah.
35, 40 range.
Okay, 35 to 40. More. The median pay is about 53,910. Okay, so entry level. In what type of degree or education do you need for this? For the entry level, you just need a trade school or on the job training. Wow, they make more money than us, or about the same. No college, just trade school. Man, okay, I wish I would have known that. Okay, so what about, let me pick something else and okay, you said you were going to do construction, right? How much do you think they make in construction? Just guess, per year. 54,000? Ooh, the median pay is 34,810. Education, entry level education, trade school, or on the job training. So they make a little bit less than plumbers. Plumbers make more than. Okay, so let's go ahead and go on. So in this session, you will identify the income projection for a variety of careers, identify the benefits of post-secondary education, including trade school and military service. We will also calculate the return on the educational investment for different occupations using the Occupation Outlook Handbook from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. So we'll get to that later. Okay, so let's get ready. Okay, get ready to learn more about the value of higher education and how it can affect your future income. So, well, you've already done this. You've already previewed the student activity because you've already downloaded the form and now you have it open, right? Okay. So, it does say that, just have it there. Take notes if necessary for this session. Okay, so what are the educational options after you finish school? And I know that both of you, this is it. This is your last year, right? So what are the options? Oh, there we go. Okay, so many occupations and careers require a college degree, but not all. Okay, let's review the definitions. Select each image to learn more. So, what's an academic degree? There it is. An academic degree is a qualification award awarded to students upon successful completion of a course of study in higher education, usually a college or university. So that's what it is. Now, what's a graduate degree? A graduate degree is an advanced degree that focuses on specific education, specific academic fields of study, or professional discipline. For example, law, medicine, business, etc. The general prerequisites for most graduate degree programs is a bachelor's degree. Sometimes in a related field. Oops. I didn't finish, right? I think I got like one left. Certificate of achievement. So what is a certificate of achievement? Certificate of achievements are awarded for programs of study consisting of 18 units or more that provide extensive preparation in the designated field. They certify that students who successfully complete the program are prepared to enter the career associated with their choosing certificate. They are programs offered by trade schools and community colleges. So those are the three different types, okay? So let's go quickly over this, and in a few minutes the video will be in your Schoology. So if you need to go back and read what each definition is for your activity, you can always go back, okay? So it'll be there as soon as I'm done, it'll be there. Associate degree. Okay, so there's different types of associate degrees. Here's what they are, okay? And you can, whenever I finish the video, you can go through this and read this. Bachelor's degree. There's different types. There's the different types. The first one was 2 to 3 years, right? Let me go back. Associates was 2 to 3 years. That's, yeah, 2 to 3 years of study. Bachelor's is 4 to 5 years of study post high school. Master's. Again, you can, these are the different types. You can read it later. Master's, 5 to 6 years. Now, the doctoral degree, here's the different types, 6 to 8 years. Last but not least, a certificate of proficiency, which is 1 to 2 years of study after high school. Okay, so what does post-secondary education really cost? How much do you think college education costs? So let's just look at the cost of a bachelor's degree at a private school. So it's about $48,510 in 2019. That's how much a bachelor's degree at a private school was. What about in a state school? In a state school, it's $85,480. Now, trade school or college, the average trade school degree is $33,000. Okay, here's here's the military service. So the military is an occupational or career that will provide for your education. Consider these benefits of the military. So you can read these benefits later, okay? Here's the benefits for joining the military. Okay, so let's go ahead and review the benefits. So of the value of education, potential to earn more money, lower unemployment, change of career rates, cost of living benefits for your family future, work or study abroad, broaden your network, discover your passion, learn life skills. Okay? Okay, so now you will go to the return value competition section of your student activity. Yeah, you don't have to do that because we don't have the book here. Okay, so you don't have to do this because we don't have the book here. Okay, so when you start the assignment, there is a link to go to the Occupational Outlook Handbook, and you can use that information. The website looks like this. You can use that information to complete the assignment. Okay? So why is it important to research the expected wages for various positions of interest as you consider your post-secondary education options? These are just some things so you can reflect and think of, okay? Oops. Which of the following are benefits of post-secondary education? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on each of these so you can review them if you need to for the assignment. Some of these you will use, some you won't. But I'll click on each one of them. Okay, I don't know why it's doing this. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and not email this, but I'll post these definitions in Schoology for you, since they're not opening, okay? I mean, they do open, but they open at the bottom, and that's not beneficial because the students at home cannot see them. Okay, so I'll go ahead and post those in Schoology. Okay, so these are things that you can continue to reflect on. Okay, don't forget to save your work and email it to me. Okay, and we are done with this section.